So, you're curious about Australia's visa processing times as of March 2025? Grab a comfy seat, relax, and let's dive into this topic together. Understanding visa timelines can sometimes feel overwhelming, almost like searching for a kangaroo in a haystack. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Whether you're applying for a tourist, student, work, or permanent residency visa, knowing the latest processing updates is essential. Let's break things down step by step so you can navigate the process with confidence and get the information you need. Why are we talking about this? First off, why should we care about visa processing times? Well, if you're planning to study, work, or even just visit Australia, understanding how long the visa process takes is essential for proper planning. Imagine organizing a barbecue. You need to know exactly how long the sausages take to cook. Otherwise, you could end up waiting longer than expected, feeling frustrated, or even having to change your plans entirely. Australia's immigration system is undergoing significant changes, much like the constant hum of a didgeridoo, always evolving and adapting. Over the past few years, visa backlogs and long processing times have been a major concern for applicants. However, in late 2024, the Australian government committed $18.3 million to reform the migration system. This investment aims to streamline visa applications, reduce delays, and make the process more efficient. If successful, these changes could greatly benefit students, workers, and travelers alike. Processing times for major visas. Let's break down the current processing times for various visa categories. Skilled, permanent visas. If you're a skilled worker hoping to secure permanent residency in Australia, the processing time for your visa application is approximately 4 to 22 months, depending on the visa subclass. While that may seem like a long wait, it's a relatively short timeline for a life-changing opportunity. Gaining permanent residency opens the door to a stable career, access to healthcare, and the chance to build a future in one of the most sought-after destinations in the world. Considering the benefits, job security, quality of life, and the stunning Australian landscape, it's a small price to pay for long-term rewards. Partner visas. For those in love and eager to reunite with their significant other, the first stage of a partner visa takes around 20 to 29 months to process depending on the visa subclass. That's about 2 years of anticipation, but in the grand scheme of a lifetime together, it's just a stepping stone. Whether you're counting down the days or planning a romantic reunion, this process ensures that relationships built on genuine commitment have a clear path to permanent residency. Patience is key, much like waiting for a baby kangaroo to mature before it hops off on its own. Skilled, temporary visas. If you're a professional looking to work in Australia on a temporary basis, you'll be happy to hear that the new skilled in-demand visas are typically processed in just 48 days. That's a speedy turnaround, allowing you to plan your move and start your new job without long delays. Before you know it, you'll be settling into your new role and enjoying the Australian lifestyle. Student visas. Students planning to study in Australia can expect a processing time of around 4 months and 8 months for vocational education and training sector. This gives you just enough time to practice your Aussie slang, sort out your accommodation, and get excited about the adventure ahead. Whether you're heading to a bustling city like Sydney or a laid-back town near the Great Barrier Reef, your study journey will be underway in no time. Visitor visas. Thinking of visiting Australia for a holiday? You'll be thrilled to know that visitor visas are processed 17 to 51 days, depending on the stream. In fact, some applications are so quick that if you blink, you might miss the approval notification. This means you can finalize your travel plans, book your flights, and start dreaming about sandy beaches, vibrant city life, and unique wildlife encounters without unnecessary delays. Working holidaymaker visas. For young travelers eager to experience Australia while working along the way, the Working Holidaymaker visa is an ideal option. The best part? These visas are processed just as fast as visitor visas, between 1 to 61 days. This means you can pack your bags, prepare your itinerary, and get ready for an unforgettable experience where work and adventure go hand in hand. Whether you're picking fruit in the countryside or bartending in a buzzing city, your journey starts almost immediately. Recent challenges and backlogs. Efforts to streamline the visa application and approval process have been ongoing, yet several challenges continue to arise. One major issue involves a growing number of migrants and asylum seekers submitting unmeritorious applications in an attempt to take advantage of the system. This has led to an unprecedented surge in appeals against visa refusals, overwhelming the review process. By late 2024, more than 82,000 individuals were actively contesting migration and protection visa denials through the Administrative Review Tribunal, ART. The situation has been further exacerbated by a sharp increase in new cases, with nearly 8,500 additional appeals piling up in just the last 6 months of the year. This mounting backlog has placed significant pressure on the tribunal, slowing down decision-making and extending wait times for applicants. As a result, authorities continue to face difficulties in maintaining efficiency while ensuring that genuine applicants receive fair and timely assessments. Tips for a smooth application process. To avoid delays or complications with your visa application, follow these essential tips. First, submit a complete application by carefully reviewing all required documents before submission. Missing paperwork is a common cause of setbacks. Second, opt for online submission whenever possible, as it is typically faster and more efficient than paper applications. Digital processing helps reduce errors and speeds up communication. Third, respond promptly to any requests for additional information from the department. A delayed response could slow down the entire process or even jeopardize approval. Lastly, stay informed about any changes in visa policies or regulations that may impact your application. Rules and requirements can evolve, so keeping up to date ensures that you remain compliant and well-prepared throughout the process. Factors influencing processing times. Now, you might be wondering, why do some visas take longer than others? Good question. Several factors come into play. Completeness of application. Submitting all necessary documents up front can speed things up. It's like baking a cake. You need all the ingredients for it to turn out right. Mode of application. Applying online is generally faster than paper applications. Think of it as emailing versus sending a letter by snail mail. Response time. How quickly you respond to requests for additional information can impact processing times. Don't leave the immigration folks hanging. External checks. Sometimes, the department needs information from external agencies like health or character checks. Applying for an Australian visa in 2025 doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember, patience and preparation are key. So, whether you're aiming to study, work, or explore the land down under, equip yourself with the right information and set yourself up for success.